Hi Mukhtar sir, how are you?
Fine, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, good morning. So, Mukhtar sir, I just want to ask you that what is the significance, what is the importance of this parade on this special day, 15 August?
Sir, basically, freedom was achieved with great effort. It was an inclusive effort. And you know, we remained colonized for 200 years. And our forefathers, regardless of any religion and caste, they fought for the freedom. They sacrificed their lives. They went to the prisons. And ultimately, it was under the pristine leadership, prismatic leadership of Gandhiji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others that we achieved freedom. And today this parade and this preparation is a mark of respect to our national flag. We commemorate the day when we got liberated from the British rule.
So, whom you think should be given credit for this independence? Like, should we give credit to all the people, like all the communities, or any specific community that have?
No, sir. It was an inclusive effort. All the people fought for it. And you know, if you visit the India Gate, there are 95,000 martyrs name written on the India Gate. And if you happen to visit there, the things get clear. I think Hindu, Muslim, Sikh inclusively fought with this freedom. More or less, they may be more or less, but they inclusively, togetherly fought for the freedom. And it's a matter of great fortune that we are walking on this free land. We have many economic and problems, still challenges, but we are coping it with. And you know, when the problems are when the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
That's great. That's great. So, what you are going to do, how you are going to celebrate this Independence Day?
Sir, I just remember when I was a college student, I used to be very emotional, and I just remember when the Independence Day was being celebrated at the GDC Bhadrava in 2001, and there was a song, Mere Desh Ki Dharti Ugle Sona Ugle Hire Moti, and that song was basically acted by the local guys, and the tears came into my eyes to see the opportunity, because on the one hand we are feeling joy to see this Independence Day, on the other hand we are also emotional to commemorate those martyrs who attend martyrdom during British period, because for example there was Lala Lajpat Rai, who succumbed to the injuries after Simon Commission. There was Subhash Chandra Bose, and there were many millions of them. On the one hand, where Mangal Pandey was hanged in 1857, Hazrat Mahal was there, Tantia Tope was there, Lakshmi Bai was there, to sacrifice their lives. And later on, during Britain struggle, there was Reshmi Rumal movement. Gandhiji came back to India, started civil disobedience. Wish you all the best, and I hope in the year next you will be a lecturer. And we're working together. If not here, somewhere in the department. May God bless you.
Definitely. Thank you.
Hope is the thing with feather that perches in the soul and never stops alive. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you.
Miles to go before.
Best of luck, sir.